Hey guys, hey. So this is Chisa Phoenix Brown, and I am back with another tip to help you to have a better experience when you come to the Black Biz Summit. So one thing that I've been noticing is that people want to connect, right? And you do not have to have a business card. So one thing that I love to tell people to do is go to their social media. So I'm going to go to Instagram. And when I go to my Instagram profile, and you can do the same thing, I want you to press share profile. When you do, this comes up. This is your individual QR code, and you can also go into that and you can change it to emoji. You can also change it to selfie, and then you can be all up in the picture, all up in the video, okay? And you can share that with people immediately. You can also press copy link, and this way you can share with people that way too. But people can easily scan, and you can do the same thing for other people. So come on out to the Black Biz Summit and make sure you're ready to share. Go to BLK BIZ SUMMIT. Get ready for everything that's going to be magnificent and fabulous. See you on August 2nd.